Welcome to the Keravita Pro review. We live in a day and age where fungal infections are literally wreaking havoc in the lives of millions of people. Some people even end up getting their legs being amputated, all because they've ignored a simple toenail fungus infection. Millions of Americans suffer from toenail fungus and have to hide their legs in socks, shoes, and even plastic bags. Toenail fungus is such a dangerous disease because it can even kill people. However, it seems that all the solutions they provide to the population are unable to solve the problem. The symptoms disappear, only to resurface again after a brief period of time. The reason behind that is that toenail fungus is a virus that is not located in the toes, but in the digestive system. Keravita Pro comes as a natural, highly effective treatment to toenail fungus. This system works to remove the virus from the inside out, and to help you enjoy a life free of the symptoms of fungus. After starting to take the Keravita Pro pills, you'll begin to notice how your skin gets better by the day. You'll also notice how the yellow stains on your feet begin to dissipate and your hair starts looking amazing once again. How does Keravita Pro work? This product is developed by a reputable company that is well known for creating safe, effective supplements. This product undergoes a 5-stage process, including the research and testing phase. Each of the ingredients part of this product works to remove the fungus from your body and to strengthen your immune system. For example, the Japanese mushroom complex, together with beta-glucan, clean the fungal infection from your bloodstream, veins and arteries. On the other hand, lycopene and quercetin enhance your skin health and help to rebuild its original, velvety appearance. Your skin will get smoother and firmer by the day, and it will become 3 times stronger than it was before. Garlic, curcumin and cat's claw work perfectly in conjunction to dissolve the toxic bacteria from your bloodstream. These herbs offer potent antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, cleansing your body of any potential virus. Each ingredient is carefully selected and tested to offer the best results possible, without coming with the so common side effects that most products have today. Let's take a closer look at what each ingredient has to offer. Next on, graviola, pine bark and selenium offer potent antifungal properties to find any hidden toxins in your body and remove it. Ultimately, green tea and ginseng activate your body's defense system and enable it to protect you from any other potential threats. Keravita Pro ingredients. This antifungal supplement has 26 powerful ingredients. Some of the most effective are pomegranate, garlic, quercetin, cat's claw, lycopene, Japanese mushroom complex, olive leaf, green tea, Panax ginseng. Keravita Pro and cons. This is a real treatment. While we have a lot of topical creams and pills that focus on reducing the side effects of fungus in your body and on your toenails, none can cure it permanently. Keravita Pro is one of the few that offers you a permanent cure and enables you to fully enjoy your life knowing that your health is on good hands. This supplement is made of high-quality ingredients that are tested in the laboratory. This is a risk-free solution to your fungal infection. Cleanses your body of any fungal poisonous attack or any other dangerous toxins, ridding you of anything unnatural and allowing your immune system to regain its strength and potency. All the 26 ingredients are selected from natural sources and are highly potent against fungus. You have a full 60 days money-back guarantee. Keravita Pro cons. This product is only available online. Conclusion. Keravita Pro is the safest, easiest way to get rid of that ugly yellow nails, or replace that brittle, yellowish skin and hair with gorgeous skin and hair. Thanks to the all-natural ingredient blend, this product is exceptional at finding all the infection in your body and removing it permanently. Moreover, it creates a shield around your immune system and protects you from the toxic air we breathe. Click the link below in the description and purchase this product now from the official website. Try it and test it on your own body to notice its results.